Good afternoon, everyone. This reviewer focuses on the language of research. Number one, which part of research paper is referred to as the cover page? Letter A, abstract. Letter B, title page. Letter C, introduction. Letter D, methodology. All right, so our answer is letter B, title page. Number two, which section contains additional information that supports analysis, such as charts, tables, and figures? Letter A, appendix. Letter B, results. Letter C, conclusion. Letter D, literature review. Our answer, letter A, appendix. Number three, where do you list all the academic materials used in your research? Letter A, abstract. Letter B, methodology. Letter C, reference. Letter D, discussion. Our answer is letter C, reference. Number four, which section presents the importance of your study and its contribution to the field? Letter A, discussion. Letter B, results. Letter C, introduction. Letter D, appendix. Our answer is letter A, discussion. Number five, where do you present the actual results of your analysis? Letter A, methodology. Letter B, results. Letter C, reference. Letter D, conclusion. Our answer is letter B, results. Number six, which section contains coherent ideas or concepts organized for easy communication? Letter A, conclusion. Letter B, reference. Letter C, abstract. Letter D, conceptual framework. Our answer is letter D, conceptual framework. Number seven, where do you describe the methods used in your research? Letter A, results. Letter B, introduction. Letter C, methodology. Letter D, abstract. Letter C, methodology. Number eight, which section involves analyzing the data obtained from the study? Letter A, abstract. Letter B, discussion. Letter C, methodology. Letter D, introduction. Our answer is letter B, discussion. Number nine, which section provides a brief background of the research? Letter A, introduction. Letter B, results. Letter C, appendix. Letter D, conclusion. Our answer is letter A, introduction. Number 10. Which section is usually written last but appears first in a research paper? Letter A, abstract. Letter B, appendix. Letter C, discussion. Our answer is abstract. All right, that's all. Good luck to your exam.